Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're making a super simple, luxurious, and super nourishing body butter that your skin will absolutely love. My favorite part about this recipe is it's easy, it's accessible, and it only requires a few simple ingredients. For this recipe, we are using shea butter, extra virgin olive oil. You can use vitamin E oil as a preservative, and then also essential oils to give it some scent. Be sure to check out the description box for a link to all the products used in this video. We're going to be doing the double broiler method for this recipe, meaning you put a pot of water and you're going to put a heat safe bowl inside of that pot of water to melt our butters down. Add your shea butter to the bowl, and you're also going to add some extra virgin olive oil. The ratio that we're using for this recipe is about a half a cup of olive oil to 1 cup of shea butter. Now you'll just have to kind of learn to use your discernment with it, but that's the approximate amount of olive oil I'm using. We're just going to mix and let everything melt until it turns completely to liquid. Once it has turned to liquid, we're going to remove the bowl and place it into the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes or until solidified. But in its solid state, it should still be soft and pliable to the touch. Now we've made it to the fun part. You're going to add your essential oils if you'd like to give it the scent that you're looking for. And you're just gonna let that bad boy mix in the mixer, or if you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a hand mixer. And if you're really feeling funky, I think that if you don't have a hand mixer, you could whisk it by hand. Do I recommend? No, but it's an option. And finally, we're just gonna put our body butter into containers so that we can use it. If you are feeling fancy, you can definitely order containers like off of Amazon. I've done that in the past, but as of recently, as a cost-cutting measure, I just save my CeraVe bottles or any store-bought lotion containers, and I put it in there. As the body butter solidifies or cools down, it'll become a little bit harder in texture than what you see here in the video. But that's it, you guys. That's my simple body butter recipe. Easy to make, feels great on the skin. If you like this video, if you like this kind of content, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want to see from me moving forward. Until next time, bye!